In this video, let us see how to restrict users from assigning their objects into the $TMP development class or package. $TMP package or development class is used for storing the objects that you do not want to be transported. So what it means is that whatever objects are entered into the $TMP development class or package, those objects cannot be transported. Now, those objects could be transported if you put it in any other development class or package other than $TMP. But in this video, let us check how to do that, how to restrict, how to prevent users from entering their objects into the $TMP package. So let's go to transaction code SE06 to change some settings for the system. Now, as you know, this SE06 is a transaction code for the transport organizer, and you can go to change system option, and then the settings here, you can control what kind of objects within the software components, or what kind of objects in the system that you can modify or not modify, or restrict the modifiability in. So again, in this demo, we are trying to restrict users from entering their objects into the $TMP package. So let's go and search for the namespace range for local development. Let's go and check what it is. Okay, so let's check again. Customer name range, no. In the software component, look for a local development component. There you go. So you get the local developments component within the software component category and section, and then you make that to not modifiable and save it. Now once you save it, now let us see if it is going to work or not. So let's go to create some program or a data dictionary object or something to where we can try to save it in the local development class, that is a $TMP class. So let us go to transaction code SECAT, and let us try to create a test system data and say test and save. Now it's going to prompt you to enter a package name. Since we are trying to check whether this can be stored in a local package or as a local package or not, click on local object, and you get a message called system settings do not allow you to change that object type. Because this message you're getting because of that SE06 setting that we just did, and that setting is preventing us from entering this object ztest into the $TMP package. Continue. So no matter what you do, it's not going to let you enter in the package, and that is because of that setting. So let us go back and change that setting back to modifiable, and see if now it will allow us to change it or not. So let's go and find that out. Let's go and look for this, and let's go modifiable, save it. Let's go and execute the transaction code again. Click on create, test, save, and save local object. And this time it lets you save in the $TMP package. So if you want to prevent users from entering the objects into the $TMP package, go to AC06 and in the software component section, look for the local development entry and make it not modifiable, and system will prevent the users from entering anything into the $TMP package.